So hey guys, while the first foldable OnePlus phone has yet to be announced, but the foldable book-style OnePlus Open has already been spotted in public by Indian film star. She was caught holding the phone in her hand, and one of the still from the video shows the OnePlus logo under the back camera circle. At the end of the clip, she pulls out the foldable to look at the bigger internal screen. It is safe to say that the OnePlus Open will have a lot in common with the upcoming book-like foldable from Oppo. They are both part of BBK Electronics in China, and few years back Oppo teamed up with OnePlus to form a joint research and development team. Some of the specifications are similar to the ones found on Oppo's Find N3 Fold, such as the 7.82 inches body display. Finally, there is some light on the launch date of the OnePlus Open. Yes, according to the tipster Max Jamberg, the first foldable phone from OnePlus will debut on October 19th. Initially, the launch of the OnePlus Open was anticipated to take place at the end of August. However, the event was later postponed due to problems with the BOE display and switching to Samsung plans. It looks like the OnePlus Open will be better than the Galaxy Z Fold 5 in all key specs, such as display, camera, design and durability. OnePlus has focused on all important elements that make a foldable phone better and easy to use. And now it seems like OnePlus is serious about it and made some key improvements in the display resolution and RAM options, which is better than the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Yes, the Z Fold 5's new foldable dynamic AMOLED 2X display stretches an 1812 by 2176 resolution across 7.6 inches panel. However, according to the eminent tipster Digital Chat Station, OnePlus will upgrade the OnePlus Open to a 7.82 inches main display with a resolution of 2268 by 2440 resolution, which will give a better image and video quality than the Z Fold 5. Not only that, the OnePlus Open also has a 6.31 inches 2484 by 1116 cover display on its front, which might make its footprint larger than the 6.2 inches 904 by 2316 Z Fold 5. However, the OnePlus Open on the other hand is now supposed to have a more traditional 20:9 aspect ratio with the proportionals while it's closed. Tipster Max Jamberg shared a post that the purported OnePlus Open has been put through a durability test where it has managed to last over 400,000 folds without any damage on the hinge and display. If this is true, then the upcoming OnePlus Foldable could beat Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5's 200,000 folds promise. So what do you think about this OnePlus Open? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.